Hey guys, this is Rob, man. Been working on a new project, and it's coming together. Check it out. Got new tires for it with some meat on them. Painted the rims last night. Uh, got the tires done yesterday. So awesome. I was gonna do the tires myself, but it's a pain in the ass, dude. Uh, Painted the racks. Trying to fix this plastic. I still need to. I'm gonna try to. I don't know. I'm gonna try to melt that shit back together. I think. Ordered a new Pepcock. I have new fuel line. With a filter. Yay. I've got a new battery that's charging right now. I'm thinking I need to get a new solenoid. And I'm thinking I might have to clean the carburetor. I don't know yet. I need the battery started to see what this thing's going to do. But yeah, it's going together good. Took the tires off. Took the shocks off. The shocks didn't have any bushings in them. Shocks didn't have any bushings in them. They got bushings now. I have a lot of buggies here. So I stole some shocks off the buggies and stole their bushings. And we used their bushings on here. I needed bushings all around. All four shocks needed bushings. I also did some painting, some rust removal. It looks really good now. You could probably use blowing off. I painted the shocks. Yay, yay. I need to buy a new muffler. I've got a new muffler on order. Also have a new carburetor on order. I painted the letters with a paint marker so you could read them better. Right. Painted this back rack. I want everything flat black. I like flat black on bikes. I don't like the shiny gloss that looks like crap. It should be flat black all the time. Yeah. I'm gonna order some halos for it. It's got rounds in the front, and they're round LEDs. Because you know the originals always break. So, yeah, everything's looking good, man. Everything is looking good. I can't wait to start working on this, guys. Be out there doing garden cleanups. I have a lot of big properties, 5-acre properties. I also have a 13-acre property that I take care of, and I can't walk that. And I don't want to use my mower. That's putting hours on my mower. So why not have a quad to where I can hook a trailer up to it? It's got a hitch, trailer hitch, and I've got a trailer at my mom's place, just a little one. Comes about here. So it'll be good. We also need to do an oil change. I still need to do an oil change. And I just got an oil pan. So we're good. Alright, guys. If you guys know where to get rid of tires, please leave a comment in the description. I'm in Magnolia, Texas. I got tires everywhere I need to get rid of. I gotta get rid of these tires that are on here. I got some street tires I want to put on it. Tires in that shed, tires up there, tires over there, tires over there. Oh, tires up over there. I'm tired of the tires. Alright guys, this is my Arctic Cat. I like to detail it. I did some painting up here as well. So yeah, you guys want to detail your bikes? Get some paint markers so you can do your tires up. That's sick looking. That's a sexy motherfucker right there. Alright, peace out, y'all.